वेलकम बैक टू कासाफाई। माय नेम इज पूर्वा और आज हम एक ऐसी प्रॉपर्टी देखने वाले हैं जो डोंबिवली ईस्ट का गेम पूरी तरीके से चेंज करने वाला है। वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट साई वर्ल्ड ड्रीम्स बाय पैराडाइज ग्रुप, Dombivli's first ever mixed-use theme luxury lifestyle inspired by the Dubai's lifestyle. Now let's get into the project details. But before we move ahead, let me quickly tell you what is Casify. Casify is a platform where we connect home buyers directly with the developers. That means no brokerage, no random commission and no spam phone calls. Because on Casify, the listing is done directly by the builder and not by the broker. As home buying should be simple and not stressful. Now let's get back to the project details. And now let's talk about what is Sai World Dreams all about. Sai World Dreams is an 18-acre township in Dombivli East. This is a complete mixed-use township including retail, business and residential projects. In talking about the residential, you will be getting 8 towers of ground plus 35 story, offering 1 BHK, 2 BHK, 2.5 BHK and 3 BHK luxury residences. Talking about the business part, this project holds a ground plus 33 story of business complex that will have office spaces, a ground plus 3 level of lifestyle brand retail space and also a ground plus 23 floors of 5-star hotel. So that you have everything right over here at your same address. Speaking of amenities, this project is inspired by Dubai lifestyle. So you will have a ground plus 3 level of clubhouse, which will be a grand clubhouse including a swimming pool, a jacuzzi, open air cafeteria, amphitheater, indoor games, kids play area, jogging track and all the luxury lifestyle amenities will be right at your doorstep. तो अब बात करते हैं प्राइसिंग की. द प्राइसिंग ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट स्टार्ट्स ओनली फ्रॉम 49 lakhs onwards. Others depends on the floor and the carpet areas you are looking for. Also, the project is approved by multiple banks for home loans. And now let's talk about the connectivity, because a great home means nothing if you're stuck in traffic. This project is located bang on Kalyanshil Road, Dombivli East, जहां से upcoming metro station सिर्फ walking distance पे है. साथ ही opposite to the project you can have a look at the metro line as well. प्रोजेक्ट से डोंबिवली रेलवे स्टेशन भी कुछ ही दूरी पे है और अपकमिंग कल्याण तलोजा मेट्रो लाइन से फ्यूचर कनेक्टिविटी और भी स्ट्रॉन्ग होने वाली है. ऑल्सो द प्लस पॉइंट इज दैट हाने बुलेट ट्रेन स्टेशन भी यहाँ से सिर्फ 10 मिनट की दूरी पे होगा. सो दिस प्रोजेक्ट हैज गॉट इट ऑल कवर्ड इन टर्म्स ऑफ कनेक्टिविटी. और अब हम एंटर कर रहे हैं द 3 BHK of the residential project Sai World Dreams. This 3 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 1313 square feet, which is also the highest carpet area of the project. एंटर करते ही आप देख सकते हो ये है आपका spacious living and dining area. Also, let me tell you that we are standing in the actual flat of the project. तो जो आपको दिख रहा है आपको सब कुछ एज इट इज मिलने वाला है एक्सेप्ट फॉर लाइट एंड फैंस, बट एवरीथिंग एल्स विल बी एज इट इज प्रोवाइडेड एज यू कैन सी इन दिस वीडियो. ये है आपका स्पेशियस लिविंग एरिया. यू कैन प्लेस अ सोफा, सेंटर टेबल, customize your TV units, and you will be getting full French windows with a very spacious balcony where you can place your tea tables, tea chairs, and enjoy the views with your friends and family. Moving forward, over here you can place your dining table of 6 to 8 people very easily and enjoy meal time with your friends and family. साथ ही आपको वीडियो डोर फोन भी प्रोवाइडेड है फॉर 100% सेफ्टी. ऑल्सो दिस अपार्टमेंट इज ऑन अ बटरफ्लाई लेआउट, सो यू हैव बेडरूम्स ऑन बोथ द साइड्स. आपका पहला बेडरूम है इस साइड पे. बेडरूम में एंटर करते ही पहले आपको दिख जाता है आपका प्राइवेट वॉशरूम दैट विल कम विद एंटी स्किड टाइल्स एंड ऑल द हाई एंड वॉल फिटिंग्स. और ये है आपके फर्स्ट बेडरूम का स्पेस, जहाँ पे आप अपना किंग या क्वीन साइज बेड प्लेस कर सकते हो अलॉन्ग विद योर साइड टेबल्स. यू कैन ऑल्सो कस्टमाइज योर वार्डरोब एंड यू कैन मेक दिस योर गेस्ट बेडरूम इफ यू विश टू. साथ ही इस बेडरूम में आपको मिलते हैं हाफ फ्रेंच विंडोज फ्रॉम वेयर यू कैन एंजॉय द व्यूज. Moving forward to the rest of the apartment. As you move forward, यहाँ पे है आपका alley area जहाँ से है entrance towards your bedroom, common washroom and your kitchen space. First on this side we have your kitchen space where you will be getting an L-shaped kitchen platform. आपको chimney, gas, everything is provided. You have a stainless steel sink provided as well. Aqua भी provided है along with geysers. Both the washroom has separate geyser and kitchen में भी separate geyser provided है. Kitchen से attached you will be getting a utility space where you can place your washing machine. Moving forward, opposite to the kitchen is your second bedroom, which is your common bedroom. This is the space of your second bedroom. You can customize this totally as per your choice. In this bedroom, you will be getting full French windows with a very spacious balcony so that you can enjoy the views. इस बेडरूम के साइड में आपको मिलता है कॉमन वॉशरूम और कॉमन वॉशरूम के पहले यू हैव एन एक्स्ट्रा यूटिलिटी स्पेस सो दैट यू हैव प्राइवेसी इन योर वॉशरूम एंड दिस ओवर हियर इज अ कॉमन वॉशरूम दैट विल कम with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And now let's move to the master bedroom of this 3 BHK. Master bedroom में आपको मिलेगा wooden flooring which is very special, makes your master bedroom extraordinary and exceptional. This is the space where you can easily place your king size bed along with your side tables. You can also customize a seating corner and a study corner if you wish to. And again, you will be getting full French windows with a very spacious balcony. और इस यूनिट से आपको मिलता है फ्रंट रोड व्यू फ्रॉम वेयर यू कैन सी द जुपिटर हॉस्पिटल एंड द अपकमिंग मेट्रो लाइन. Also, the best part about this bedroom is that you have a walk-in wardrobe space provided that you can customize totally as per your choice with attached washroom. और washroom में जो wall fittings आपको दिख रहे हैं along with the shower head as it is provided रहेगा, as this is the actual flat. And this was your actual flat tour of the residential project Sai World Dreams in Dombivli East. And now it's time for the final verdict. अगर आप एक फर्स्ट टाइम होम बायर हो और बजट में एक दुबई इंस्पायर्ड लग्जरी होम चाहिए, then this is the best price. The project provides complete ecosystem with schools, hospitals, malls, office spaces, सब कुछ under one roof. और डोंबिवली ईस्ट का इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर बूम प्लस अ यूनिक दुबई थीम टाउनशिप plus Paradise Group's track record. Appreciation is almost certain. Overall, Sai World Dreams is genuinely one of the most exciting projects in Dombivli East. So this was a complete tour of Sai World Dreams by Paradise Group located in Dombivli East, a Dubai-inspired themed township. If you liked this video, then do share it with someone who's looking to buy a home. And if you want the price sheets, layouts or want to book a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description below. Also, do let us know in the comments if you are looking to invest or buy a home in Dombivli. Till then, happy home buying, stay safe.